If you've ever started a post on X, also known as Twitter, and wondered where your unfinished drafts went, this video is for you. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to check your x.com or Twitter drafts in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you save something for later, want to review an unsent post, or need to find a draft before publishing it. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X or Twitter in your web browser. You can do this on a desktop or laptop, and the steps are very similar either way. Once you're on the main X homepage, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where the navigation menu appears. This is where you'll find the buttons for Home, Explore, Notifications, Messages, and Posting options. Next, click the blue Post button, or in some versions it may say Tweet. This button opens the Compose box, which is where you normally write a new post. Even if you're not trying to create a new post right now, you still need to open this box because that's where the Drafts menu is located. Once the Compose box pops up, look in the top right corner of that window. You should see a small link that says Drafts. It may be easy to miss, so take a second to look carefully at that upper corner of the Compose window. This is the shortcut that lets you access any post you started but didn't publish. Click Drafts and X will show you your saved drafts. From here, you can review your unsent posts, see if anything was saved automatically, and check for any scheduled content that's waiting to be posted later. If you've got more than one draft, you may be able to open each one and decide whether to continue editing, delete it, or publish it when you're ready. If you were trying to find a post you thought was missing, this is the place to check first. Sometimes people save a draft without realizing it, and this menu is where it ends up. So if your post isn't on your timeline yet, checking drafts is the fastest way to find it. Now, depending on your browser or account setup, the layout may look slightly different, but the process is still the same. Open the Compose box, look for Drafts in the top right corner, and then select the Save draft you want to view. That's the key step most people miss. And that's it. Now you know how to check x.com or Twitter drafts quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful videos, and leave a comment if you want to see more step-by-step social media guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.